well during these quarantine times. So today we're going to be talking about hair hacks. These are just 7 hacks that I use to grow my hair from 2 inches to 10 inches. Okay guys, so the first hack is care and commitment. So for me, I have a schedule. I feel like that helps the most. Every 2 weeks I wash my hair. Before I wash my hair, I would do a treatment, and then after I would deep condition. So stuff like that actually helps your hair, helps it to grow. And that leads me into the second point. The point is actually treatments. Now treatments are good because they provide your hair with vitamins and minerals that they need and that will help them to grow. Treatments come in different shapes and sizes, like you have deep conditioners, you have hot oil treatments. It's all up to you what treatment you decide to use. But treatments are very important when you're trying to grow your hair. Third hack is knowing your hair. So for me, I didn't really understand what hair type I had until I went on this website. I'm gonna put in the link below. But basically, we have different hair types. Mine is 3C/4A, and that helped because the website also provided a list of products that you could use in your hair, and they were very beneficial. And also, it helps to know which products works for your hair and which don't. Like for example, cream-based products tend to be more beneficial with my hair, locks in more moisture, whereas oil-based products don't seem to provide as much moisture for me. Okay guys, so we're moving on to hack 4. So the 4th hack is staying away from heat. Now that doesn't mean that you can't flat iron your hair or blow dry your hair, but it just means that to not do it so often if you're trying to grow out your hair. If you flat iron or blow dry your hair or use any treatment in your hair too often, it can actually damage the hair and even stunt the growth. So if you are planning on using heat on your hair, be sure you use the proper heat protective products. Okay guys, so we're moving on to hack 5. Hack 5 is styling. Now styling is very important when you're growing your hair. There are these things called protective hairstyles. So like cornrows, braids, faux locks, those are all protective hairstyles. Hairstyles in which you just put them in, you don't have to worry about your hair as much, and it promotes hair growth. The whole purpose behind protective hairstyling is to protect your hair and to give it like a kind of grace period. Okay guys, so now we're moving on to hack 6, which is experimenting. So experimenting means experimenting with different products that you think might work for your hair. Now I don't mean go out and buy the most expensive hair product you see in the store, or don't do it at random. A great thing to do is to research a few products and then look at the reviews. Another great option is to ask friends and even family members that have similar hair type. Tried this before. I've asked one of my friends whose hair is really similar to mine, and the product that they recommended worked wonders in my hair. So everything is not going to work for everybody, but it's all about finding something that works for you. So now we're going to move on to hack 7, which is trying DIY treatments. So as we all may know, natural hair can get really expensive at times, but it doesn't have to be. You can try a lot of different DIY treatments, like mayonnaise treatment, avocado treatment, aloe vera treatment, coconut oil treatment, olive oil treatment. All of these ingredients can be found either in your backyard or in your fridge. They're very convenient and low cost, and they work wonders for your hair. So go ahead and give it a try. Do your research and see what works for you. So thanks for watching my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed the hacks. Let me know in the comments below if they actually work for your hair. Let me know if you have any hair hacks for me, because I'm always trying to find new ones. And I look forward to seeing you